All right, in a bowl, I am going to season some flour with these spices. I use salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of paprika. You can add some cayenne if you kind of want a little spice, and whatever seasonings that you like. Also, Old Bay is really good in the flour. Once my oil is hot, I'm going to drop those flour bites into the oil. I will say that this doesn't take a long time to fry just because lobster is so delicate. You don't want to overcook it. You'll start to see the lobster become brown, a nice light brown, almost like a tempura style brown. That's what we're going for. And take them out and you can drain them on a cookie sheet or paper towel, old school like we frying chicken. Of course, you'll have a couple of batches of these depending on how many people are coming over. Child, hopefully not that many people coming over. Let's keep the crowd small, all right? These bites go perfect with a dipping sauce, so I'm going to make a quick little aioli real quick. Going to get some mayonnaise, Worcestershire, fresh lemon zest, and fresh lemon juice. I love using Meyer lemons. Little fresh squeeze of lemon. Seafood and lemon just go together so beautifully. Gonna give that a good stir until everything is combined. Like so, like that. Shout out to Tab, even though this is not a vegan recipe. And there we have fried lobster bites. These are super delicious to make when company is coming over. Also really just quick and simple to make. Shout out to Tefal for just giving us cookware that is super cute and sexy and also really efficient with cleanup and food release. I will see you next time in the kitchen very, very soon. Peace, love, and good food to you.